Oh, it's those most serious cases that I'm ultimately concerned about: the child molestings, the rapes, the murders, the child murders.
Rob Sanders says Kentuckians convicted of those kinds of crimes can now act as if they never happened, thanks to a slew of pardons former Governor Matt Bevin issued during his final hours in office.
I feel especially bad for the victims that have been victimized all over again, that didn't even get so much as a heads up or a warning from the governor's office or anybody in state government. You know, they didn't call us. I found out about it from my Twitter feed.
As Kenton County's Commonwealth's attorney, Sanders is especially troubled that Bevin pardoned Micah Schottel, who was convicted last year of raping a 9-year-old girl. His sentence, more than 2 decades in prison.
He didn't review my file. He didn't review Erlanger Police Department's file, and he never talked to the victim or her mother. So it really makes you wonder, what was he basing his decision off of?
Sanders says similar questions are being asked statewide.
Governors certainly have the legal ability to pardon whoever they want, but there's been a number of cases around the state that are questionable in terms of who was pardoned. And to my knowledge, there's never been pardons that were granted to people who had just thrown the governor political fundraisers. So obviously those things are the things that have raised eyebrows.
Sanders says he's now investigating the circumstances connected to Schottel's pardon, which clearly strikes a nerve in the one-time Bevin supporter.
This is really unspeakable abuse of discretion.
Sanders confirms that right now nothing can be done to overturn a governor's pardon, but he supports an effort by lawmakers to make the process more transparent. Sanders believes Bevin issued 600 pardons, and he wouldn't be surprised if more questionable cases come to light.